Hey everybody, welcome back to Universe Jarvis. I've got a quick video now. This I actually was going to do a couple weeks ago. I actually had the item for a while now, but because of eBay and shipping of something that I got for the item, I'm just now getting around to it. But let's go ahead and get into it. And yes, I'm extremely colorful, from my watch band to my shirt to my shoes, getting ready for Pride Month, which is next month, and I'm super excited about it. So there's that. But anyway, let's jump in. So it's all about some Airtags. That's what I'm talking about today. I'm gonna just unbox them. I was gonna actually do a setup video. Maybe I still can because I got my phone here. Let's just kind of see how this goes. So these are hard to find, of course, because that's what Apple does. They just came out, what, a month or so ago, or however long. It's not been very long. So I actually ended up having to travel, not a long ways, but I had to travel in order to find them, and I actually found them at a Target. And so the 4-pack of these run you 99 bucks. You can get a single one for $29, but I mean, it kind of makes sense to get the 4-pack. You will actually save a little bit by getting the 4-pack. So I guess let's jump in, and then I'll get to the other item, and I'll kind of rant about what was going on with that. So I'm gonna, it opens here from the bottom. And I'm really curious to see these things. I mean, I've watched a couple videos, but I've not actually seen it in person or held one. So that's opening it up. It looks like they've kind of got them stacked in this little packaging situation. Let's see what this is down here at the bottom. Oh, it's just telling you you got a 1-year limited warranty, so that's what that is. And a lot of paper. So okay, so it kind of opens like a book. So Airtag, that, and then oh, there are the Airtags. And it's got some instructions, it looks like. So it tells me to update to the latest iOS, make sure the Bluetooth is on. Let's see, pull tab when ready to use, hold your device and follow on-screen instructions. So I'm assuming it probably does, like if you're setting up AirPods, that sort of thing as well. I'm getting ready to set these up now. I don't know. Let me actually pull one out so we can see it up close. Before removing the plastic, of course, though. So they have a decent weight to them, I'd say. I mean, I feel like it might be a little bit heavier than, say, a tile. At least it feels like it's a little bit heavier, of course, because I guess what it's made from. So, that. And then this is the part that gets engraved, is this white kind of shiny glossy part, which Apple is known for, that white glossiness that'll scratch up. So this is some of the things that I ordered, or one of the things, and this is probably the protectors. Yeah, so these are the protectors for them. So I kind of did some searching and was trying to kind of figure out what people had to say that have already had these, and they did say they will scratch up fairly easily. Especially that shiny part. I was kind of expecting that, which is why I've never really been worried about getting the stainless steel watch, because I hear it will scratch up really easily, and it costs a good bit more than its aluminum cousin. So they have these little protectors, I guess you'll say. So that's what these are. So it's kind of like a screen protector, if you will, to go over this shiny silver part. And hopefully it's pretty easy to put on. Peel off this mask before application. Yeah, so I'm going to mess with that and we'll see. And hopefully that'll go on, that'll protect and it won't look stupid. So I originally ordered this stuff off of Amazon, but I wasn't able to get it off of Amazon. No, saying that backwards. I ordered off of eBay. And kind of got a deal, buy 2 little cases, get 1 free, and then I got those things too. It was like a 10-pack for X amount, but didn't get the freaking things. They were the screen protector was supposed to be delivered Friday. I was supposed to get the little cases on yesterday, and they didn't get here. So that's going to be a whole battle that I'm going to have to deal with. So that's going to be pretty fun and annoying. I got in touch with the seller there, and they just kind of kept giving me the runaround, saying, oh, you know, they're sorry about the shipping, and they'll resend it. And I really don't want them to resend anything. I just want my money back. So I'm going to have to deal with that. And I think the seller on there is MD Supply. So if you see them, I would suggest staying away from them. And they actually didn't have really good reviews. And I didn't check it at the time. Normally I'll kind of read reviews. like with anything, and I didn't, and so that's kind of my fault. So dealing with that. So went on Amazon yesterday and I did some searching, and I actually found pretty much the same thing I ordered. It wasn't a buy two get one situation. I got them, I think they were like $6.98 a piece, but they were actually delivered in one day. And the thing that sucked, when I went on to order them originally, I looked at Amazon and they didn't have them, so I guess like a week or two later they actually started showing up. So these are third party, which I'm fine with. The Apple ones cost $35 for a single one of these, and I know these probably most likely are not real leather. They're probably polyurethane, which is also fine. Yeah, this isn't real leather. But it'll do the same exact thing that the Apple one will do. And this is black. I got a couple different colors, and it's got a little, so it's got like one of those little rings that flip down like that. So it looks like, I mean, hopefully it'll stay and it won't come off. So I got like black here, and I'll take out some more of the colors here in a second. What other colors that I end up getting? Black. This one's like a navy blue. That's a nice fun yellow. Got a red one right there. Yeah, that's red, not orange. Got orange. And got a nice fun grass green, I think is what it was called. So, questions on that. Let's actually see about maybe setting up one of these. So I'm gonna move the camera. I'm gonna bring it over here. So let's see. So the instructions were pretty simple. It said update the iOS, that's done. My Bluetooth should be on. My battery's getting low, but that's fine. So it says pull out the tab when ready to use and hold near device. So I'm gonna, I guess, pull this off. Ah, that's the tab right there, so you can see it right there. So once I pull this out, I guess it'll put it in pairing mode. Bluetooth LE ultra wideband AirTag. So it's really pretty, nice and shiny and glossy. So let's walk through and set up one of these bad boys. So I'm doing it, I think. Oh, it makes a little sound. Ah, and it does what I thought it was going to do. So the setup is the same as all Apple stuff. That's prompting it to connect. It pops up on my phone. So I'm going to hit connect. And what am I going to attach this to? So I guess this one can be for some keys. So they have a whole like selection of things: backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet. You can even do a custom name. So this one can go on a set of car keys. So I'm just going to choose keys. And it wants me to register to my Apple ID, which I'm going to do. So it's setting up my keys. Alright, so precision finding: when AirTag is nearby, an arrow will point to its precise location. Find your AirTag by playing a sound from your iPhone, and then it's got directions that appear in the map in order to find it. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to go in here. So it's actually telling me my keys are here with me right now. I kind of want to hear what this thing sounds like. Let's play a sound. So, not the loudest thing, but and then there's a lost mode and all that good jazz, but that's it, really. I'm gonna play around with these, get them all set up, and that'll be that. But anyhow, thanks for tuning in this video. Until next time, Universe Jarvis out.